Hey guys, I made a rookie mistake and I wanted to show you guys so you guys never make this mistake like I did. So I almost burned my truck down. Yes, as you guys can see right here, this fire extinguisher is empty, but I do have a new one, obviously right here. And what ended up happening was, let me show you guys right here. So I had a couple wrenches in the back here just laying around underneath my truck. So this is my bed up here, and the wrench ended up touching the negative and the positive on the inverter. So it touched both of them at the same time, and I ended up getting a short, and the truck ended up almost burning down. So you guys can see right here, oh, you see, that's the plastic. This ended up burning. This was just sitting back here, so this light just literally toasted back here, and all this yellow crap is from the fire extinguisher. So my whole truck is all yellow right now, upstairs, downstairs, everything's yellow, the whole truck. So what happened was, I was driving, I smelled something funky, and that happens, you know, 3-4 times a day. You smell burning clutch, you think it's you, it's the truck in front of you. You know, you smell like, you know, brakes, you know, burning, you think it's you and it's somebody else. You smell fire, you think it's you and it's just, you know, somebody burning something in the woods. But this time I smelled fire. I looked back, I didn't see nothing. I drove another maybe 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and I pulled my current back, and bam, saw the fire right there. The fire was about like 8 inches. It was a ball of flame. And I pulled over as fast and safely as I could. And then I pulled out my fire extinguisher, as you guys saw right here, which this fire extinguisher, guys, very, very important. So it was mounted right here. So as soon as I open the door, it's mounted right here. Because myself and I've seen other people not have their fire extinguisher mounted, it's something that a lot of DOT look for. So thank God that, you know, I had the fire extinguisher right there in the right place. It was mounted, and it ended up saving me. I could have, if I was sleeping, I could have died. If I took another, you know, 1 or 2 minutes, the whole truck could have burned down. So I always figured like why some trucks burn down. I never understood, but this is probably a big reason. I never heard of this, never seen anybody talk about this. So hopefully this video saves at least one truck out there. Don't leave any tools, guys, back here. Don't leave any tools near your inverter. As you guys can see, this is a true story. I almost lost my truck, almost lost my business, and possibly even almost lost my life. So a bunch of stuff back here got burned. You know, cleaning everything out. So you guys can see I took everything out, cleaning a lot of shit. I'm finishing putting everything in there. I love this toolbox. Super clean, super organized. You know, the drawers are in the bottom. The top is the regular, you know, toolbox style. But yeah, guys, never, ever, ever leave tools in the back of your truck, especially wrenches, especially anything metal, because that was a rookie mistake that I never heard of. So I'm still gonna call it a rookie mistake because, you know, I should have never done that. But yeah, guys, never do that. Let's be careful, spread the word, share this video, because this is something I never expected. And like I said, I never heard of, you know, that being really a big problem. It's common sense. It does make sense, obviously, guys, but you know, things like that, sometimes we don't think of it. We don't think that something like that is going to burn down our truck. It's going to create a short. And, you know, we're working hard. We're hustling. We're out here, you know, banging hours, staying days away from our family. So sometimes we make mistakes. And, you know, somebody like myself making a rookie mistake like that is upsetting. But I'm glad nothing happened. I'm glad I'm here to share the story. But yeah, guys, let's not do that. And if that has happened to you guys, unfortunately, leave a comment below. Let us know what happened. Let us know if you're able to save the truck. And like always, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.